All right, so I made something that I think is pretty cool, and I hope you guys enjoy it for our last week here. So this is a virtual classroom. And so this is posted in the classwork section of Classroom, but it's not necessarily an assignment. So you're not going to like turn anything in here, but I just kind of want to show you some things. So since it's a Monday, you have theory, but you're going to find the theory right here. So you would click on either the treble or the bass clef, and that's going to take you to your theory assignment. You would still do have to turn in your code in the assignment in Classroom like normal, but it's just kind of a fun little way to get there. The other thing I'd like you to do today is click on the Bulldog. And this is going to take you to a video, and I'll kind of talk you through how to play our school song. So in order to get that music, you go over here and click on your instrument. So when you click on your instrument, it's going to pull up the music for our school song. And make sure you watch the video because there's kind of like this intro thing and there's 2 lines of music, and I want you to know what that is kind of all about. But this is going to, yeah, take you to our school song. Basically everything else you can click on besides the whiteboard. That's boring. I'm boring too. My piano's kind of fun. But all this stuff over here you can click on, and we'll talk about that more on Wednesday. But all you have to do for today is click on the theory assignment, make sure that gets turned in. And I'd like you to start kind of clicking on the Bulldog. Make sure you watch the video over the school songs. If you have more time today and want to mess around, click on some other stuff, because on Wednesday, basically what you're going to do is tell me what your favorite activity that you saw on here or video or site that you found through here. So hopefully you have a good time with this. It was really fun to make. So yeah, have fun.